First, neatly arrange the machine with the lower base cabinet. Then, insert the water suction pipe and exhaust pipe into the lower base cabinet. Take the key out of the instruction manual bag. There will be corresponding codes on the key and the lock hole. After opening the lower cabinet door, pass the water suction pipe and exhaust pipe through the interlayer. And install the countersunk head in the water suction pipe. Then, place the bucket of purified water into the lower bottom cabinet and insert the suction pipe into the bottom of the bucket. Then take out the wires connecting the lower cabinet and the machine from the instruction manual bag and connect them at the back of the machine. Next, install the antenna. Take it out of the instruction manual bag and install it clockwise in the hole at the top of the machine. Next, use the key to open the machine door. Poke the small hole beside the card slot with a pin to eject the card slot. Then, insert the data card with the chip side up. Next, let's load the coffee beans. First, push the bean hopper baffle in, then pull the bean hopper up and out. And then pull the baffle out again. Use a funnel to load the coffee beans. After that, put the hopper back. Arrange it neatly and then pull out the baffle. Next, plug the power cord of the machine into the socket. When the machine is turned on, for the first time, it will exhaust air. After turning on the machine, check if the water level in the bucket has dropped. If it has not, it indicates that there is a problem with the water pumping pipe. Open the rear door of the machine to check the water pumping pipe. If no SIM card is installed after turning on the device, then a wireless network connection is required. Continuously click on the upper left corner to enter the initial password 352,356. Then click on the upper right corner to exit and enter the settings. Click on WLAN and then connect to Wi-Fi. After connecting, return to the main interface and click on the coffee system. After turning on the machine, we can install the powder. Click on the upper left corner to enter the settings. Then click on the machine configuration and click on the general parameters of coffee and the powder box settings. The 123 in the powder canister corresponds to the powder that should be added from left to right. When taking out the canister, you can do it from left to right in sequence. When putting it back, place it on the left and right sides first, and finally in the middle. When removing the canister box, first pull out the canister with the material nozzle facing upwards and outward. Add the powder, and after adding them, secure the white shaft sleeve at the back of the canister and the motor. Finally, align the material nozzle with their respective mixing bowls. After everything is completed, make a cup of cappuccino on the coffee test interface. If it can be made normally, it indicates that the machine can be used normally. In addition, the payment method for the machine needs to be negotiated and registered in cooperation with the company's back-end engineers. Finally, return to the sales interface. By following the above operation steps, the maintenance of 307B is completed.